We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India.
Good morning, students. Now it is a time for the international finance. So let's discuss some of the sums for the international finance. In last lecture we had discussed about the exposures, right? Different exposures are there, like transaction exposure, translation, and the operational exposures are there. Here one sum is there. Example is available. An Indian exporter has obtained an order for supplying the automotive brakes at the rate of the $100 per piece. The exporter will have to import the parts worth $50 per piece. In addition, variable costs are 200 rupees that will be incurred per piece. Explain the impact of the transaction exposure if exchange rate, which is currently at the 36 rupees per dollar, moves to the 40 rupees per dollar. Right, so here you have to find out the exposure, transaction exposure. Right? If currency rates are changed, exchange rates are changed, what will happen? So to solve out this sum, firstly we have to find out the revenue, right? Revenue per piece. Okay, revenue per piece. If I want to find out the revenue per piece, here the rate is currently $100 and the exchange rate is 36 rupees per dollar. So in terms of the rupees, it will become the 3600 revenue. Now I have to find out the costs that will incur the per piece. Definitely I have to find out the cost and revenue, then and only then I can find out the gap between the two. Right, so cost per piece will be, that is the import cost, right? That is the import cost will be where if I talk about the import cost that is available over here, that is the $50, right? And that will be multiplied with our exchange rate, that is 36. So 50 into 36 will be, that is rupees 1800. Then variable costs are given. Variable cost is available in the sum, that is 200. So that is also including over here 200. So total will be the 1800 plus 200, that is the 2000. That is my total variable cost. Now if I want to know the contribution, that is my revenue and variable cost gap. So revenue is the 3600, variable cost is the 2000. So contribution will be 1600 per piece. So finally, if I want to check it out, the impact, right? By what will be the impact over the transaction exposure? So that is the, firstly give the heading, that is the impact of transaction exposure, that is revenue generated. Now I want to find out the new revenue generated, that is my now new exchange rate is 40 and that will be multiplied with my 100, that is 100 into 40, that is 4000 per piece, right? Now import cost, next will be the import cost per how many units are there, that is the import cost, that is given 50 per piece, right? And now the rates will be 40. So again that is 50 into 40, that will become the 2000 per piece, right? And variable cost, that is the variable cost are 200, right? That is given, variable cost is 200. So that is the 200. So I have to subtract it from my revenue. That is the 4000 minus 2000 minus 200. That is the 1800 per piece. That is in terms of the rupees. Right? That is my new contribution. So old contribution was the 1600 and the new one is about the 1800. So that is the increment of the 200 per piece. So finally you will write down like this, that is the contribution will be increased by 200. That's it.